Hi there, Ken Howard here at Manhattan Beach Toyota, and today I'm going to go over how to make the best fuel efficiency out of your Toyota hybrid vehicle. So if you have a Toyota hybrid vehicle, then this video is for you. Step with me inside and let's go over everything. All right, today we're going to go over the Rav4 hybrid. Now, it states on our sheet here that you get 39 miles to the gallon on the combined. You get 41 in the city and 38 on the highway. So today we're going to go over a few items so you can maximize your fuel efficiency. All right, so hybrid vehicles, they're always doing better when you drive them in the city. That's where you're going to get your best fuel efficiency. So if you have a Toyota hybrid and you're doing a lot of city driving, you're already doing good. Now, to get better fuel efficiency, we have a few little buttons here and little tweaks we can do, and you can get even better fuel efficiency. So one of the first things that you can do is switch your car over into eco mode. It's a quick, easy little twist on the dial to the eco mode. Now, this is, again, the RAV4. Some of the other cars, they don't have the dial. Some have actual buttons where you can push it into eco, sport, or normal. So on this RAV4, we are doing the dial and turning it into eco. All right, so after you put the car into the eco mode, your best fuel efficiency speed is about 40 miles an hour or less when you're driving in the city. You're gonna do much better that way. All right, another way to get a little extra more fuel efficiency is by switching the car into an electric vehicle mode. With a simple push of this button here, you've activated your EV mode, and it will put the car in electric mode at 25 miles an hour or less. It is a low speed way to save on extra gas. All right, another way that you can be fuel efficient is to monitor your dashboard. You got informational up here that will help guide you to better fuel efficiency. You do have what they call the total average miles per gallon, and it's got a little white bar on the side of it. As you accelerate, that bar is going to go down, which of course if you're accelerating, you're not being as fuel efficient. But when you're taking your foot off the accelerator or coming to a stop, that bar is going to reach up higher. So the better you can keep that bar in the higher area, the better fuel efficiency you're doing. All right, another instrument on your dashboard is called the Eco Zone. So the Eco Zone has a bar, and it's got a little green bar that goes up and down. So this is where you have a zone section, where if you keep it in that zone section, you're also doing better in fuel efficiency. But as you accelerate, sometimes you can get over that bar, and if you go over that bar, then you're not doing as well. So to get the better fuel efficiency, keep it in the eco zone. The next one we're going to go over is your energy flow. So there's a display that does show you the energy. It shows you the red bar, which is your gas engine, going to either charge up the battery and also help with propelling the vehicle in a forward motion. And then it also has a yellow bar, and when it's yellow, then that means you're in the electric mode, and you'll see sometimes the yellow and red together because that's how a hybrid works. They work together to get the car going. But then the red bar will shut off when you are in the electric mode, and then you will see electric mode. Now, when you are coming to a stop or you're decelerating, taking your foot off the accelerator, you'll see a green bar, and that is going to be your energy charging the battery. So if you keep it in the yellow and the green, you're doing much better in the fuel efficiency as well. All right, it's also suggested, and this comes directly from Toyota, is to use a technique called the pulse and glide. That means a quick acceleration and then backing off of the accelerator so you can keep the car in the eco zone. So that's something to give it a try. So try these tips out. This is going to help you better with your fuel efficiency on your Toyota hybrid electric vehicle. If it does work for you, tell us about it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Ken Howard, Manhattan Beach Toyota. You have a wonderful day.